Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to enable gaming mode on Vivo Y04 for better performance. If you are using Vivo Y04 and now you want to enable gaming mode in your phone, so let's see how can you do this. You must have to enable the settings, so go for settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for game mode, ultra game mode in your phone, just tap on it. And here you just have to enable this one, just tap on it and it will be enabled. And after enabling that, it will give you a game sidebar when you start a game. Here you can easily customize your game mode. You can enable game mode for just only any game you want. Here are some different settings, which is game light effects, game sound and quality effects. Here's the notification. If you are irritating from notification, you can easily enable this one. It will block all notification when you start a game. So that's how you can easily enable or use gaming mode in your Vivo Y04. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.